You know the problem too well. You're aware of the risks, and you've been thinking about how it will affect your health. Today it's a well-known fact that hazardous dust can cause serious injuries. The dust enters your respiratory system, smaller particles reach all the way to your lungs and damage the lung tissues. You must prevent the dust from entering your respiratory system and protect your body from these injuries. To capture the dust directly at source is the only effective solution. No general ventilation system can replace the effectiveness of source capture, although general ventilation must be available. The basic rule is to capture the dust before they are spread around in your workplace. Hazardous fumes. Because you're working next to it, you can't avoid it. If it's not eliminated directly at source, your co-workers will suffer too. This contributes to an unhealthy and ineffective workplace environment. But with the right equipment, you quickly solve this problem. Capture the dust directly at source and they won't cause you or anyone else any harm. This is called a Pymex. It measures the air pollutants in the breathing zone of the operator. Here we can see that air is severely polluted. But when the Nederman fume extractor is switched on, the pollutants are eliminated and the air is clean to breathe. So, measurements at the breathing zone shows us that toxic fumes and hazardous particles are effectively eliminated. The dust extractor Nederman 5000 is efficient even at a comfortable distance, something that makes it easier for you to use it, as it doesn't hinder you in your work but still protects your health. The effective flanged hood improves efficiency. Here's a traditional round hood. It captures the pollutants like this. We can see that part of its power is wasted. It unnecessarily draws air from outside the zone of pollution. The flanged square hood is much more efficient. It doesn't draw unnecessary air from behind. Instead, it concentrates all its suction power towards the source of pollution. That makes it especially suited for demanding applications. The hood can also be placed flush on a working surface, when available, where the surface becomes an active shield in further improving the degree of efficiency. Users of extractor arms place big demands on maneuverability, flexibility and precision when positioning. These are common problems: tough, stiff, unpredictable and often unreliable. But look how simple it is with the Nederman 5000. With a perfect spring-balanced suspension system, it's always easy to position the arm exactly where it's needed. When you begin your work, you easily position your arm with a simple movement. It's easy to adjust the position. The required force is even and low across the entire area, and the hood stays safely where you put it. When the job is finished, you simply slide it away. When the pollutants are captured, you should filter the air. This is, of course, an absolute requirement if the air is to be recycled. For those working with this kind of equipment, it's paramount to have a high degree of filtration and absolute reliability. Nederman can offer a wide selection of filters especially designed for dust and other applications. Certain filters are equipped with a throwaway filter cartridge. Others like this one here, the Nederman filter box with cleanable filter cartridge. This filter can be fully automated, constantly displaying the status of the filter. It signals when the filter is clogged and it starts the cleaning operation automatically. The internal filter cartridge is effectively cleaned through mechanical vibration, which can also be improved by air pulse cleaning. The dust is collected underneath in a container, which makes it simple and safe to remove the pollutants. You quickly return to work with full efficiency after your completed cleaning operation. With the Nederman products, we can protect you against many hazardous forms of air pollutants. Handling of dust. Grinding dust. Chemicals and solvents. Welding fumes. Oil fumes from tooling work.